Welcome to Berlin Felsi Oracle. Today I'm here with an intuitive guidance. The intuitive guidance is about pain. Many people have suppressed years of pain, or either if you are going through some pain right now and that has been blocking your vision when it comes to your creative ideas, when it comes to motivation, when it comes to doing things for yourself, like when it comes to self growing or anything, it is blocking your chances of going ahead in life. So I am here to tell you that you need to deal with that pain. How is the best way to deal with that pain? Is to feel it. Feel that pain. Go into a meditation and think about that time that you have felt that pain. Go and feel that feeling, because in the past you had not felt it. That is why now it's coming to surface. I am here to encourage you, to tell you that you need to feel these feelings if you want to see clearly in the future, if you want to see clearly your creative ideas, if you want clear vision about what to do next, if you want to strengthen your intuition. Everything will be strong enough once you have dealt with that pain. If you can see, if I tilt my head a little, you can see the sun is coming through. So it's all through. Like, this sun was actually coming directly to me, but now because there is a tree in front of me, the sun is getting blocked. If I look little more this side, the sun is coming through. What I am getting is that the pain is blocking your vision. The pain is clouding your mind. The pain is not letting you get your creative flow. So you need to deal with that pain, feel that pain. If you need any help to feel this pain, I can do a guided meditation and let that pain be released. But you need to work with that pain. You need to change that pain into power. I have even created a course called Butterfly Alchemy, which helps you transform the pain into your power. Your creative flow can only be seen once you have dealt with that pain, once you have identified. Right now I can see the tree is blocking it. Because I know the tree is blocking it, that's why I can shift my vision and I can see the sun clearly. But if I don't see what is blocking me, if I don't address the pain, I won't be able to get the sunlight. So same way, you need to address that pain. So sit in a meditation and address those emotions and feel those emotions. And if you need any help with this, I am here for you.